Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a requested video for you all. So this video was requested in my Glam 21 review lipsticks where you all liked the way I applied my kajal and my eyeliner. I got so many DMs on my Instagram and few of you even commented on my YouTube video that you would love to know how I apply my eyeliner. Here I am and let's begin with the tutorial. To start with, I'm going to use the Maybelline Gel Studio eyeliner. So the trick to get this kind of eye is to go with a really bold winged eyeliner and apply kajal, and that's it. I just revealed it in the beginning of the video. I have even done a step-by-step tutorial for beginners on how to do a winged eyeliner. So I'm going to attach the link somewhere here or in the description bar below. Don't forget to check that out. It really takes some time, not exactly some time, a hell lot of time to get your wings correct and go with a really bold eyeliner. So once I'm done with my eyeliner, I will go ahead with my kajal, and this one is by Nykaa. This is a really nice affordable kajal, very smooth, very gliding. It has the deepest, darkest black. So I'm in love with this kajal personally. I'm just going to put it on my waterline. Next, I will curl my lashes and put on mascara. This one is called Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. I will just curl and go ahead and apply tons of mascara. Once I am done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some falsies. This is a local eyelash brand which I got from Amazon. I'm going to mention the link in the description bar below. So guys, this is how I apply kajal and eyeliner. I hope you found it useful. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And please do not hesitate and do let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make more. I would love to do that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.